A fine art photography print depicting a Taiko Odori dancer in a brilliant turquoise kimono, accented with cherry blossom motifs, holding two ornate folding fans, captured against a deep violet stage background. This image highlights the beauty of Japanese cultural performance, the precision of movement, and the artistry of traditional attire. Its bold colors and dramatic composition make it a striking piece for wall decor in living rooms, studios, or cultural spaces. When I photographed this scene, I was struck by the way the dancers' fans caught the stage light, reflecting gold and crimson hues that contrasted against the vivid blue kimono. I framed the composition to preserve both the elegance of the movement and the anonymity of the performer, allowing the gesture and costume to tell the story. This moment carried a balance of grace and mystery that I wanted the photograph to hold for the viewer. It, displayed in a home or office, it offers more than a performance still. It conveys rhythm, tradition, and cultural reverence. The print brings energy, elegance, and a sense of heritage into any space, allowing the artistry of Taiko Odori to inspire both contemplation and appreciation of movement and craft.